What's up, everybody? Your boy Pat back again with another edition of Second Take, where I talk tech and I speak sports. Today's topic of the day is the Razer Wolverine Tournament Edition controller for the Xbox One, the Xbox Series, and for PC.
This is a Heat Rocks production.
Now, before we get into it, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell as it helps out the channel. Now, the Razer Wolverine Tournament Edition, this is supposed to be a great controller. We're gonna unbox it. So nice black and green packaging. It's got a little handle here, kind of like a material, cotton. Explains all what it's about, right? All right, that's the packaging. Let's just get into it. So, first time opening it, first time impressions. Really nice. I like the soft kind of styrofoamy feel, cushiony black thingy here. Inside you get the controller. Let's see what else you get, if anything. All right, you got some books. You got another box. All right, so we're gonna throw this to the side. All right, so you're getting books here. Nice little presentation they're showing you. They got it all wrapped up, nice piece of plastic. All right, you're getting congratulations, there's no turning back. Little statement from them, they sign it for you, really nice. Cool little booklet. We're not gonna go through any of this. And then inside you're getting stickers actually. The stickers are pretty cool, I like that. Like, kind of like little snakes, so kind of like that. You're getting another little box here. Let's see what's inside here, if we can get inside without destroying it as much as possible. All right, so you're getting a bunch of cords here. So the cords, I don't know, they're dusty. I don't know what that's all about, but really dusty. Like they could have cleaned that, right? Okay, so you're getting a cord nonetheless. Nice cord. It's braided. I like braided cords. That always wins me over. On one side, you get a micro USB, and on the other side, you're getting a USB type A. Then you're getting this connection here. Oh, where is it? Nope, not that one. This one. That's a proprietary connection. But nice and long too, and I like the fact that they give you this little kind of cord wrapper, if you will. But really long cord. This is plenty long. This is probably longer than the actual Microsoft Elite controller, I would say. But that's a really nice cord. Like I said, I wish they would have gave me a clean cord. It had a little bit of powder substance. And then that's the star of the show. This is the controller. It actually, from just a really quick glance, it looks like a Microsoft first party controller, but obviously it isn't. So this is what the controller looks like. D button is really nice. A little different from regular Microsoft controller, but I like how they indented it. Sort of like the new Microsoft controllers are, where they're a little bit like kind of, if you can see that, what I'm trying to say, they're kind of like indented a little bit and on a little bit of a slant. I feel like this would be good for fighting games. This would be really good for fighting games. Not a lot of button push. Like the buttons are really like close. So as soon as you touch it, you're almost pressing it already. So yeah, if you need fast reaction game, maybe a shooter, this would be good. But I know a lot of shooters, we play with the thumbsticks, but the thumbsticks are really nice. Then you got your two buttons, your menu, your task switching button. Got your Xbox home button here. It's got a little, it's like rubber, little grippy rubber kind of. So I like that. Oh yeah, so these are what they call like tactile buttons. You can hear that. Might be a little different, but I don't think, I'm gonna play with this and probably do a full review on it. Let you guys know what I think about that, but I'll see. A lot of people have said that the buttons, once they started pressing these buttons, they couldn't go back and forth between this and first party Microsoft controllers, but we'll see. Then you got, yeah, really nice bumpers. I like the bumpers. Triggers. So it feels like a pretty good controller. Got some grippy action, so you don't want to having the controller slip. It's got, this is a better implementation of paddles on the back than Xbox did with theirs. I like how it's kind of in the corner, like it's right in the corner there. So I kind of like that. They made good use of that. Really like that. And then here you've got some triggers. That's like more paddles. So I don't know if that's going to be a win or not, because you're going to have to go from here to here potentially. And then you've got these, I don't know what these are. I'll have to find out. I thought it would be different levels of pushing it, but that might not be. They feel the same when I go back and forth. We'll have to look and see what that exactly is. And then you actually have your charging port there. That's where that cord's gonna go in, so you can always play. This is not wireless, by the way. You need that cord to actually play with this controller. But out of the box, I mean, this controller looks decent. This controller is 150 bucks though. So I don't know, is it worth the $150? Now an Elite Series 2 is 200 bucks, sometimes over 200 bucks, depending on the retailer. But we'll see, because a lot of people have told me this controller is better than the Elite. I had the Elite 2. I did not like it. It developed stick drift, and I feel for $200 and for first party, I shouldn't have to deal with that issue. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram, YouTube, the Anchor app. You can also find me on Spotify, as well as Apple and Google Podcasts. It's your boy Pat. Peace. Catch you in the next one.